I say my music is all I'm doing. Sister Afia, good morning. Good morning.
Morning. What's up, baby?
Yeah, it's nice.
I know, right?
It's beautiful. Thank you for always passing through.
Charlie.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
You're looking glossy.
Charlie.
Glossy and shiny.
Oh, yes.
I'm live with Sista Afia.
Yes. We are live on Onua FM with the one and only Black Beauty and
and that's on period.
Philly.
That's on period. Sista Afia, in this song no, what DJ Hubasano? What's the music is all I'm doing?
Yes.
What do I no?
Oh, Sisi Adi, me a full-time musician.
What do I no?
Start
completely. She said the stethoscope ni man go form.
Me di 40 I'm at us.
Oh. What am I saying?
I.
Next, Udi 40 there will be jam music. I'll be on break.
Yeah, I don't know what the future holds, but make a keke. But yeah,
back in nursing, not Sajid Ben and now pay. Your favorite?
My favorite,
course.
Yes. I think mine was health and social care.
Sir.
Okay, my syllabus need different from Ghana.
Ghana, do you know? Oh, I come okay. Me just say pen. Come me so. Nursing questions.
Hey, Patrol.
Matias, I understand.
Flower can cry me name spelling.
Oh boy.
Oh, see, I'm with you.
Chloroquine.
Me name spelling.
Chloroquine. Said when they easy. Chloroquine. Me should say kill.
I'm a kill.
Chloroquine. Me uncle. No cry for my so. How has it been so far?
It's been amazing. I mean, nyamia yebi. I mean, asidani the man yakopon.
Christmas go sing.
Christmas day back to back home. Mrs.
Yay!
I've been playing shows. Me koha non-stop. And so yeah, it's been a very busy Christmas.
How are you able to go back to back like that?
I mean, Ejima. It's like the same way I wake up in the morning knowing say Ejima, also Ejima, Oba radio.
But some of the shows must be as late as 2 a.m.
Ejima no. I mean, I'm used to it.
It's not tiring, sir.
Dabi. I mean, your time you're sorry before shows, Ninia. So Ninia, she
what you know, I said this is what you want to do.
This is what I want to do. It's my calling.
Oh, it's whatever comes with it now.
I'm ready for it. Yes.
I see. And I have also noticed what you keep music promotion to another level.
Yes.
Which is mind-blowing, which is amazing. I did not expect that.
Yes.
But when you say, hey, why idea? I don't know. Was it your management and our...
Hey, my name is management, yeah, idea.
That is brilliant.
Thank you.
I don't know. Oh, yes, or yes, sir.
So, Ekobane say, I just feel like this year, I want to really bring people into my life, especially my music life, you know. And the only way I meet me, I say, I have to showcase the me pese. So an internet me started the ejumani shishe mu so okay na yenyewe o crowd make content internet
me I'm home girl me don't talk plenty.
I know, right?
Yeah. So Sista Afia has now to see no only previously but to see all the content creators share music videos in him.
Yeah,
let's say it's not other musicians no more but it's new to her.
Yeah,
is it going smooth?
Yes, it's going smooth. And the funny thing is another the tree na means no the wow, right?
Yes.
And they say all the content creators want to meet you. And they want to really, you know, and I'm
get
like,
involved.
wow, yes. I'm like, wow, everybody is just down to earth and they respect you as like a Sista Afia now, you know. So I felt like then I have to just enter into that space. Because Obia is free, Obia is nice, you know. Sweet Polar, shout out to Sweet Polar, shout out to Akonoba, shout outs to Dickness, more like everybody's crazy. I mean, sure,
yeah. Who Akonoba post them say, no, this is massive.
Yeah.
You went to the acting.
Yes.
Ibia was on point. One I try to say Akonoba na church script.
Many Akonoba na.
What's na
Yant wow him.
Of course.
On the spot.
Off head. They saying. So the woman was also involved.
Yes.
And I know if you want I'm done account.
No, not initially no plan. So we're supposed to use another content creator, but I think it's when you're emergency.
Okay.
And I think it's not my no fear that I'm gonna be seeing you in the moment.
Oh,
yeah.
So movie video now make you guys who just know said this was meant to happen. Rebecca say movie and kasa it was so spot on and it was beautiful. I am glad that you are changing the face of your music thing and then adding a lot of content creators these days.
Yes.
I believe so so about promotion very far.
Yeah.
Because the more post,
Yes, the more numbers are going up and yeah.
Now I'm coming say come on content creators is many. You know what I mean? also be involved.
Of course.
What I say because Oko Nigeria say yeah. Ube who said Don Jazzy or any content creators they are mingling.
Yes.
Or more videos more all the time.
No correct.
But Ghana it's not really likely so Ube who say man. Into seeing this thing,
yeah.
Say content creators so musu enya
the recognition.
What I say that they deserve because they're working so hard.
Yes.
It's only nice that more involve you or more.
Yes.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Fast forward to this year. What are your plans? What's happening?
I just need strength. I mean,
very necessary.
Very necessary because I have a lot of things planned and a lot of singles planned. This year they were going to do more of High Life because I just realized, even though I might do, one or two Afro beats here and there, but I'm going to be consistent with the High Life this year. As I said before, I just need strength because we have a lot of projects I was here this year.
More or less the number of projects I'm person more executed before the year ends.
Yes, even before the year begins.
Okay.
Yes.
And so what's the New Year resolutions?
Pachai.
Oh, that's beautiful. I want to vividly read this. I don't want to read it off ahead.
Okay.
So I saw this on Twitter from your page about your new song. I don't want to misquote it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So say I released the tune
Krekete Soja,
and most of my so-called colleagues or friends haven't even posted or shared to their to show their support, but will run to me when they need my help. Funny people. Yes, so it's on the screen. Funny people. I'm watching you all. It's just I've got my eyes on you people.
Yeah.
I see you.
Yes, I
Fake
see
love
you.
everywhere.
Yeah.
And I'm an producer a debating. And I'm just since you're here, I need to ask you personally. I'm an producer Kase. They reach out to you when they release their song. Sister Afia, my religion, you kindly repost or make a video for me.
Yes.
Do you reach out to them?
Yes. I don't, what I was saying in this post was not everybody. Because
some of them.
People are very close to me. And like I've just been bottling a lot of things in me. And I'm a nipa. And I don't want to sound as emotional and I say, no. I am very like, what's it called? I forgot the word to use. But Entesa, I think it will be a free bar. It will be a free bar. And that's all I can say.
Yeah.
And because me, I'm down for everybody. I feel like we are just together as a group. In the music space, a group. And see, so hear me, sometimes I just leave everything and come and support you. Not BBC, but then I'm like, okay, cool. Because the thing is, so culture is willingly. I don't have to even, and even comment on it as well. So yeah, I feel like say me any part, yeah, maybe it's me have a little bit of effect be. But I mean, right now, the
I feel say sometimes also. I say, for.
Yes, and also count.
That's how it makes you feel. That's all the one she share no.
Me depend me now she share the but me you be me free me penny pa. And people take my my weakness as a they fun on it. I say one person with me weakness it yeah. So
I get it.
I
understand.
And every time they do things to me, and I always
repeatedly.
Yes, and the thing is, repeatedly all the time, I'm like, Jesus Christ. It's me trim home from my because see, I'm trim home from one. Becca says, if I see. So, and on the by nothing personal.
Nothing personal.
Yeah.
That time they never was now feel say
exactly and social media so you're doing I mean whatever exactly so
me can be my can be
no
be a family
thank you
that's it but I mean energy now me them on I'm expecting the same energy not say you owe me
yes
but it's just nice
it's just
we are human
Charlie.
And it won't hurt to repost
yes
I get it.
But I'm sure the next time, I'm not sure they'll call me for anything. I know.
You're done with it.
I'm done with it. Because I've given people a lot of chances. Maybe I don't give 1, 2, 3 chances. I give 600 chances. That's how cool I am. I give a lot of chances. I don't have 1 chance, 2 chance, 3 chance. I give you multiple chances as it could be. But it's an area right now.
I get it. Into want to make sure and catch you be said my patch my you want to post it for me. No.
Exactly.
Because you've seen it.
Of course.
You've seen it and you know that I'm promoting the song.
Of course, yeah.
Just know the needful and then please repost.
Exactly.
Last year, how many shows now, boy?
Hey, I even posted it this morning. So I posted it on my Instagram this morning. My issues were. It's not Missy Chi. My bush shows.
What's that music now? Who feel it? You get this far? Do you have the feeling?
No, I didn't have the feeling at first because Nami will be a na mini GDO memo. No credit about it. I mean, all start to know Ghana is a whole new vibe to you. So if we got to a time it to me show me my first, second shows, lot of crowd in my dance here. Me first stage this one I'm using.
Oh, what day?
Cause like what the hell? Like, hey, Charlie, I didn't serious, you know. I think they're fright, you know, nervous. I was very nervous, and you know, sometimes I think I had the most embarrassing entry into
the music industry.
No, my first performance. Okay. Like I think my second performance, it was a YFM, and this stage, it's a party shabby. And I'm go shabby. Natani na me she. Say phone back or ye pay phone.
Oh.
That's the most funniest thing that happened.
No one
not me. It's a done one of fans naka phone.
Oh.
So that was like mini phone.
It's always show no catch reo.
Yeah, in the crowd. It's a free stage in the Soja. It trended for some time in Kumasi around 2016.
Hey, you ran feed that.
Me ran feed.
And then you've had your own share in this.
I've had my own share in it. You know, you just want to look sexy. You know that thing now. I feel an hour so everybody was getting the foam. Into I'm go to be
say.
Me say.
They won't let it slide in that.
Me say.
Oh.
I mean blame on one.
It's after that no got that courage.
Me got that courage, you know. And then I started seeing say a normal thing. You know, it's because show because I need to see you crab stage. So it's serious. It's crazy, but because I never ever I say me ama meni aye din be because me buy no hey me say tontom kraka me krana me so because I was that na me ho yemre or na me ni nya din say no ni nia no me sua nyoma bebre as a school and wako.
You go through it
exactly
to the final stage as you say tough skin.
Yes.
Obi to me your Hey, Sista Afia 2024 recap. Local shows Cowbell 22nd February. And now say about Cowbell 22nd March. Yeah. Last year. Cowbell for 27th Cove Town.
Yeah.
Agona Swedru 10th March. Manso Mpatum 1st April. Youth Fair Kumasi 17th April. Ajaka Manso 13th June. Kwaboso 14th June. Denchira 15th. Mad Club 28th. Calabash Scala Festival 21st. Nzema 26th. Dodowa 29th. Bantama Walk Kumasi October 5th. And Afrafranto
All-Star Youth Concert.
Oh. And Sana
Afro Piano Rave.
And also 30th
November.
Xmas Party Superb Lunch 25th. And I want who because running through night in international also 3rd August Ghana First Olympics France. The summer Belgium and also 10th August Game on Night Italy USA Ghana Music Awards USA Ghana Entertainment Awards The Storm Movie Premiere London and Sana releases
Yeah.
This is massive. This. And do you charge according to how big the show is? And I say the price is the same.
No, it depends.
It depends on the brand.
Yes, it depends. It depends.
Oh, it depends on the project you're working for.
Exactly. It depends.
It's very personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
It's very personal. Obi be Sam said into Kabi in Abuma last year when you escape. But your power who na one thing. Not any more content, no dear, and then slow. Me crank me yano me. Let me feel about to the rent me yano. I know. I'm never saying how much I charge.
No.
If you're for no who are well, what's our call to us a Brian meeting. So last year was crazy.
Yes.
I'm hoping that this year will be massive.
Amen. Amen. It will be.
What plan is on another female artist, but like a group?
Yes.
I
mean, I have this year. I have to work with a lot of female artists. I mean, we are not too much. You know, you endorse us, and I feel like they be a makasa. We will come together. But sometimes that's what makasa will become baby about 1 year. You know, but it's easy so. I mean, I feel like say you need go and but together because like. Minim how me put but industry bet yasi go na inya boom ni ejuma.
As me hone say me United chain man.
It's always been everywhere and you just
yeah we are seeing kasa that's how it is.
Yes.
And my hu ye hododo
pachan
and we are flex it
and cool.
Then I kindly put the video on the screen for us. We number Facebook.
Yes.
This video is so personal to my producer. Or Hebia or say what happened.
Hey, are they not trending?
The producer said, where was your management team? Where were they? Because at a point you wanted to get up.
Yes.
But boy, don't even the boundaries. Only want to stop.
It's one of those things that happens to the shows, you know.
More friend and that's one a jump.
Sometimes no, we friend on mobile stage and we are one of those things escalated. Time as security crowd for not DCC.
What's it that? Because me I said last year.
Yes.
My name artist by Nigerian artist be Okobo Shona. Lady be corner kwasai. Lady ne boy Jano. Into I'm hoping say boy no get be Jano.
I mean it's fun. I mean ejuma, you know. And as a female, no, you know, Ghana honey, who you maybe see as a crazy things, but it was worse somewhere. Normal. A performance, you know. Yes, it might look kind of weird, but it is performance. I was paid huge amount for that show, so I have to give to the people. I don't mind. Tell me to Anna.
Hey, I want to go find you. And I'm coming hire plan here or there and patch on one thing, you know. Oh, say you don't mind because
say
or 20 no.
I am as well.
There you go. And you it's her own bottles.
Yes.
Whatever she wishes to do with her bottles is her own cup of tea. And that's on period.
Yeah.
Krekete Soja is a new song.
Yes.
Let's talk about the song.
Krekete. So we had an inspiration through using crab.
Story,
and I think it's a cock and hen.
Yes. Krekete Soja.
So yes.
My friend, little.
Yes.
I want to offer free.
Oh. So we just emphasized on the soja, no, making it look like say ding or your bar, ujinimu bar, Queen Solomon basically. Into no, I want inspiration free. So many amadi amarado de. Yeah, you want be brave. Into. We are one of those
ones. I think he
ones.
loves you. He loves your personality.
Yes.
Well, he said Obi no BT. Even though say you knew Musa, but from the screens, you know, he said no. What's some year nasem?
Yes.
You are.
Onua 95.1 FM.
Indeed, Obia was someone kino fine by mommy like jam in a minyamadi. What's your dear? Me mammy pemesa. Me free favor mammy home, and was him pee. Inti kindly put your advice in your pocket. And I say package if I send you for. It's as simple as that. Oh, say Ghana for sometimes, quote and unquote, unnecessary advice sometimes. Unnecessary.
And yes, and everybody's entitled to their opinion. Obi a chena doing. So yes.
But also between me too for no he say uko feel ko adwuma wo.
Say what so wow we nipa na we so hu say if to be fan as on fa. Sometimes ni na ejina wa o manenka. Oh, obeka man so kasa obi. Nti no kasa wi na wafa na obe fan as on fa.
O he na say yema wa fan.
Eh, dear view.
O he na on fa fi uma. You let it go.
Dear view.
Have you ever put anybody on a song? Aya song na ma you release it. Utie verse na sounds me no me ho pa.
Say
when you made a nice song, what release it? You like the verse?
Yes.
What post it?
Yes.
Why promotion?
Yeah.
Your body no baby house. Akwa pa was saying
Debita.
Sa
Dabi. Me no bia nyenyu mama me feel
no that
David. Every song was spot on for me.
Sound.
Yeah. Growth, most of my features, sometimes to me okay, my make can say sometimes me could hear me old songs. I'm saying, yeah, I don't know,
Okay.
but it's like growth,
From stages.
Exactly. It's and then I me the sound money the me show hokra.
Why your features be brave?
Mhm.
Dope Nation, Kwame Nempine, medical. When you know Baroni.
Mhm.
Features be brave. I can't even mention all of them.
Sarkodie,
Oh,
Shatawali, Kelvin Boy,
Oh. Just
Kim Paluta.
she has done songs. So me see, I'm rooting for her for Grammys. Me, I'm rooting for Sista Afia for Grammys, and it's not even a joke. Why you
Yes, mine. Yeah.
Diana, your favorite? I know all of the songs.
All of them are my favorite. I think my favorite will be Are You Ready? I think that's it. I'm go far for say I'm my favorite.
Sound. Then your favorite.
I mean,
It was nice.
As an artist, yeah, all my songs are my favorites. But progression on the song, the writing, Kid and a trust, I know. So the writing was on spot on. I mean, it fitted my voice. The song fitted everything about me. Yeah, it made sense. I think that's my favorite song for now.
So did you go Baba ya why? Oh, sanyo na yekano.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? And yeah, no, I'm a cappella. Oh, no, Kwame. And yeah, no, it's not the song. I'm just giving an a cappella. Me mad you. Enra, my name producer. Thames, when he Grammys,
Yeah.
And I say potential Grammy winner say Ghana, and he made mention of your name.
Oh.
And then me say no, you have to win because. Everybody is doing their part.
Yes.
Obia born home obviously.
Yes.
Obia nyumbe o expect to say nyumbe go viral, nyumbe be making an impact in the society. But we've seen what you are doing.
Yeah.
And you are not there's not be a year. Okay, I say I'm not releasing a song. Anya
Yeah.
Some of them can go a year.
Yes.
No more releasing you.
Yeah.
What I say.
Passion.
Inti ebeye me yase obeya album now submit to Grammys. Wo de one nya cry wo de slow nomination yes slow pa.
I feel like say Ghanaians needs to choose me. They have to choose me.
That is deep.
Yes.
How?
I feel like when the people chooses you, everything falls in place for you. And I'm pleading to Ghanaians and say, I know there are lots of female artists in Ghana, but men are making a first. Please choose me. Because I can do a lot. I can take Ghana to wherever you guys want Ghana to go when it comes musically. It's just that I need a little push and the acceptance from people. Don't look at how my body is. Don't look at how she exposes. I don't even expose much, but I'm looking at all the little things Ghanaians will see and just like they'll start judging you basically. So and more a craft because oba wonni me so ban oba me fie because oba pay me cry chain say the own motive na so cause me any papa but I just feel like say I have to be chosen by the people. If I'm chosen, trust me, I would take Ghana, say Australia cry and I say Antarctica cry me the requirement. All I have to say no.
Inti Ghana for need to show yourself much you see. and sana what's up abona ma yenya ya choose no o twa mumu na afa na se yen de afa yenya he meti hasa pako o se Ghana for
okay the 30% no we need 70%.
So you want to tell me say 30% per na choose you 70% choose you from your analysis and not from your chart because from where I'm sitting there more than 80% na choose you because you can't say you are waiting for that
choose me.
Feel
feel me. Oh, that be. I'm may ungrateful, so because but I just feel like say they need to choose me, but because me Juma, pa. Don't worry. I see. I said I'm not gonna depot.
Me say me ram no nya rem no. You ram musical rem. Say no music industry no mun choose one. I say Ghanaian your fan base no choose
music fan base. Everybody Ghanaians, you be a Ghanaian ni be choose me.
How? What will make people say they've chosen you? How to
say no me kind of I mean I'm just saying
kind of yeah be the Grammys into you say be
obia or artist then you buy on pay.
Okay.
So I just want you to feel me, choose me, and I'm a patron. It's just that simple.
Until if they choose you, you submit that album.
No, you might the but much finally choosing me, you see the impact.
How would you know that they've chosen you? How would you know?
What the spirits? Oh, spirits about
why other than Fameyana?
Spirits
sound
deep
because me the way I see you, Neddy. Hey, oh, the guys Ghana phone choose the way they've chosen you already now. Ebia, you're not looking hard enough. Ebia, what you're looking for, no, you're looking at the wrong places.
I'm not looking at the wrong place. I think I'm on the right track. Because Ejumano, and better.
No, it's not.
And for me to be in the game for 10 years, going to 11 years, it means me are very strong. And I'm still. I'm telling you. Just like that. 10 years, I'm making 11 years.
Oh.
Yes.
This is nice.
Yes. So, say. But
I know when you're because so bad for front they no no yen giri you can't afford. Sister, you cry Pekasa. Also on Pekasa.
Never cry.
But I'm from into 1 hour hard.
Me hard. But I mean all those things also boy.
And you've been consistent.
Yes.
So the man can say there's not been even a year my sister Efia releases a song. And I was to say blow, say one blow, I release it.
Yes.
And I wouldn't be so gradually it grows on people.
It grows on people, yes.
That's
the God gift, yes.
Yes. Also, boy, and your bar, it's everywhere.
Yes.
And then it dies.
Yes.
By yours, there in the musa. No, be releasing at the end of Sunemu, and then it's everywhere.
Yeah.
DJ Kobo, is the song ready? You ever cook Krekete Soja? Sister Afia's favorite of her favorites.
Onua 95.1
Let's just say, Sister Afia, are you ready?
Yes.
Why are you ready?
Oh, right now they are ready.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm sure. No, we can't even with
Oh, my producer, Sister Afia. Oh, my producer saw a boy.
For sure. I need a personal. It means me answer.
Now the name I say personal because he say me hey, me boy, but me money doing it. To someone you cry, you know say I'm dating you, but I'm not mentioning the name. Oh, they won't cry. So we'll be so
me will be o me nibio me nka. Ba me nibio.
Into boy, Echo radio station as a TV because so nigga la over tiase.
Me ni boy over station because you nigga.
The me just say let's assume, let's imagine.
Oh, but me ni la
I'm found. So claim one.
Claim one na say.
Next when you're ready, next and your favorite.
Favorite pa, but I know Nintina.
Oh, never cost.
Oh, but I'm highly single.
Oh, high grade.
Yeah, high grade. Macho single vibe.
Oh,
macho.
Yeah, sure say this year, dear.
Amen. Inshallah.
Oh, of course. You know, somebody should come and take us away. Why? Come and take us away. It's been a while. It's been long. It's been so long. Intianko Krekete Soja. This is a beautiful song.
Thank you.
I love both verses.
Oh, me that's it.
I'm rather on a song, dear. It can never
go wrong.
And your voice on a song, dear. I mean,
go.
What you say? I say when you King Kibia de Hania Boom. At the different.
Thank you.
It's different. It's soothing.
Thank you.
I'm
so
sure
much.
so you get it a lot. So you have an amazing voice.
Yes, I do get it a lot. Yes, I do.
Emotimi ode.
Darby.
I didn't hear.
I have a beautiful voice.
No, but say you gaga kakra. Oh, how?
Now you're starting to have a beautiful voice. Maybe 8 years.
No way gaga.
No. Me can't me take 8 years. Now me boy sorry. I mean me call. I was leading even the. Myself. Maybe 8 years. I was leading the senior band. I know maybe 16, 17.
What's it?
Yes, it's not. Yeah.
But now for joining say be Sista Afia be nyamenyum na e be bedru obanya ne o.
Oh, nyamenyum de say de bia me kan omenyum. Enye nyamenyum na ye praise the Lord that could cope me real. Sometimes there are some songs where you can put inspiration in it with God's words inside your mind.
They have God's words.
And paper say. The hustle for the paper. See the end. It's basically a prayer to God. What I say, something you are trying to manifest into your life. It's enough. Yeah.
Okay. This one, I understand. And this is here. I'm producer. There are things at this point too. We are on and on cutting say or say maybe person bisa. The producer. This is for my producer. Or since say only Efia Odo masquashi beef no.
Oh, it's a meaning in yasem. I apologize into yasem fanasem.
New year.
New resolution.
What I say? Yeah, funny ma bebre baby. We have a lot of things to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma we make you try and
correct.
My producer also have like one of your songs here and favorite.
Which is
the only Kwame Eugene na Kwame MP boy, you know.
Kwame Eugene as for Dean Kwame
medical. Weather. It's one of his.
No, you drama my
oh, my producer dear obi.
Shut up, boy. No, me drama my phone.
Oh no, dear.
Na me can cry that time.
That's it. They way.
They say me film.
Which would you find?
They say me ninya me nam.
And also you nyame version my yes you. The Krekete Soja is out on every streaming platform.
Passion.
Visualize is not about
Passion. YouTube. As we speak, the video is live on YouTube. It's in Pacho. Unshare video now.
Go and
watch it. And also you can stream it on Audio Mac, Boom Play,
Spotify,
all the digital platforms, or wherever you stream music, you find the music there.
You find the music. Download that.
EBBAB. WOHO.
Yeah, auntie. New year, new song.
Passion.
I feel they now my best 3-4.
Don't worry.
Auntie. This is one out of the many we'll get from her this year.
Okay.
We know she always delivers.
Yes.
And she's been in the system for way too long. And she's never Onka said no this year I feel too lazy to release the song. No. What that now inspiration Anna to write. And that's what one would do
sometimes inspiration and baby fako. I mean, it's your surroundings. If your TV cry or share, phone cry or so YouTube video be a share. You know, inspirations in the way, but there is no specific place. I mean, I can say me free. Yeah, Nini Abi.
Only a Konoba video, no. People loved it.
Oh,
people loved it.
Sure.
Almost your acting was so on point.
I didn't even act too,
but it was an effort.
Yes,
it was a natural.
Yes.
It's a good say the way na effort no. That chibiano. Yen share any more na Sista Afia in a movie, Sista Afia in a series.
You know, I was an entertainment prophet into everything. I know how to do acting, info, BBB. It's just a music na. See what can I say? Me pepper, but I used to act in school. Me role play. Even me crampo. I've acted in a lot of series. One or there. Me acted Coco season. Many. WOHO, dear. Yes. See, I've had that in me. That entertainment whole, you know. If I get the opportunity, you see, say me pan.
You see, our producer be afraid. Say, who you know, come and feature in the movie.
Oh yes, a Cabaneza cry or
then make a movie. I'll call you so more if you are not an American.
So I find boy there, why not? I mean, say no mucha make a young kind, why not?
Make it producer. There you go.
Said it.
Of course.
Adwuma now,
Adwuma now,
and be a me. But other one in the
Other one there he.
Main.
And no there he.
back on
There he.
the mom say my main casa.
Okay.
Ivan on the beat.
Before you go, before you go, Oba music industry now feel say it will take a very long time. So Obe finally accepted because now a man. Who's that? Me see. There be a man so the banana competition here tight. Now when it's a very difficult before so be catch up na.
Honestly, I'm doing say easy.
Oh,
I thought say it would just be easy.
because someone does so.
Not even I didn't look at say Omondo also cry in the aspects, but to me in general, I'm doing say Juman a bit easier, mommy. I never thought say there were going to be, this one or two things here and there. What my say? I thought say minimum tunkwadi ebefa. But areas nothing is given to you on a silver platter. You have to work. You have to be consistent. You have to put in the energy. And yes, I am fine. I mean, you'll be sometimes when you're laid back a little bit, kakra. Or to make us say, oh, Sista Afia, to make us more release back when a chance and not for forever. Because me see you manase, and yet me what time I'm person me rushing your man, me rushing. But what time I'm feeling say no. Meaning say me na my minimum na nim the way you never farm me. It's no. There are some times we will have. I let the song breathe. What's my say? It's no so. Maybe. And easy mom.
Easy.
Nyamia yebi.
I've come very far.
I've come very far.
This year, are we looking out for nominations, awards, and idea?
Yeah, so this year, dear, VGM, almost say home, mommy, because sometimes not it got to a time and I mean, I didn't care, but now I see the importance of having that, recognition as an artist, and in it's like, oh, Sister Afia, you are this good, but they don't recognize you. I'm tired. And to please, that's
one for the fans.
I mean, one for the fans, even not for myself, for the fans. I mean, because Oma holding me down for a long
and they deserve
time.
it. They deserve an award, of course.
They deserve it.
Of
I mean, Osha last year, I worked. I had a hit song that was doing so well. 2-point-something million views on YouTube. It has good streams, millions of streams. Inti somebody me ahwe so na o metime de bibi kakra ma me. Say de benu nsuo de. Me pe bibiri but de benu nsuo.
Something for the road. Something for the road.
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's not bad. And this is the song now, Krekete Soja from Sista Afia on Amrado. Kindly go and stream it. Visualize that our YouTube. Immortal.
Ivan on the beat.
Sista Afia, one producer for this song.
Ivan on the beat. On one ball corner, and on the sabo aswadi. So he's been my person. Yeah.
Yeah, you may touch it. So I didn't you may touch it. Anyway, a gospel.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I put in a little bit.
You have.
Yes.
Indeed, Queen Solomon. You have really done it. She's always delivering, and she has delivered.
Yes.
Whatever you interview, so say yes, you be near me.
And no
Near me be a song for so.
And no
Go out and spread the word.
Yes.
Sister Afia, it was nice having you on the show.
Nice to have you by my side every day.
Nyamisha for always coming. Thank you so much.
Oma onyiska next year my Benjamin Bentley.
Oh.
Who come and Kyle.
Straight up and down, straight up. That's on period. It will happen. It will happen.
Amen.
Oh. That's all for today, Minister Efia. Your brand conversation, nice conversation.
Oh, because I saw talk about.
No cry.
Oh yes. You have a big crush.
Oh.
Episode talk about.
Mami do mic no. Me ba ti sia, me say Efia bon ko mo we dia so me say mun TV. Yeah.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.